Hey, hi, good morning, friends. So, we are all talking about InteliPro, that is intelligent processes. We have been talking about technology, but technology alone doesn't work. The processes need to work with that. So, I'm Ganessh Iyer, and this is my colleague Jatin. We will not take too much time. We don't want to show you a demo of our products. You can visit our stall number 2, InteliPro over there. You can see the demo. We'll try to keep it short. The slides are there, but I'll try to keep it concise. Okay. So one interesting thing is, you will see the word customer over here. Okay. That's the main focus. Our processes are built on technology for the customer. Okay. So we all want to buy a car, and then we need an insurance, and insurance, for car insurance, we know that it's at the jiffy, right? Just a countdown and the policy comes. We all feel, I wish it was true for life insurance also. But does it happen? Okay. It doesn't. Because we mainly say underwriting is complex, forms are big, lot of underwriting pieces, then financials, medicals, profile risk, risk checking, PIVC. People from the industry would know all these things, right? So this makes the process more complex. And just to give you some data, because why we build this process is more important than just showing you this. So if you look at it, persistency is also a challenge. While the onboarding is a challenge, persistency, retaining a customer is a challenge. This is official data available, other data is not available. So if you look at it, even companies like LIC is losing out 50% of its data after 5 years. 50% of its customers. Others are also 60. The 40 to 50% customers are lost after 5 years. Obviously, we don't do business for that. So that is one of the major challenge, because we can talk this number, but what is the reason? It's the fragmented customer experience, the touch points. It's a problem. Now this is a live article which says that people want mobile applications, mobile solutions, right? But what exactly do they want? They want mobile friendly solutions. They don't want your apps over there. Okay, so it says that more than 50% people want mobile applications. There's a huge opportunity which we all are aware. The Insurtech is funded very well. Okay, there's a lot of funding is there. But despite that, if you see this, customer onboarding is less than 0.6 and less than 1% on the digital front, right? When you look at a PwC report, it says interesting thing, right? While we saw customers want mobile friendly applications, the truth is that the customers want a human touch point as well. That is the reason online journeys are not working completely, because of one of these main reasons. The conversion rate of online journeys is less than 5%. Right. There's a McKinsey report which talks about create a seamless omni-channel presence for you all. Why? Because of the low frequency of customer touch points, unlike a banking industry, etc. Okay, where customer is not interested. He just wants to pay the premium, forget you. Insurance is not his priority, unfortunately. Okay. So many of the customers are lost out in the journey. But is that an opportunity? Yes. Is that a problem? Yes. Now, interestingly, our regulator IRD has come up saying that by 2047, we want everybody to be insured. Okay, this is in line with the government of India's expectations, the Prime Minister's speeches also. Now, let's look at the life insurance statistics before we go on. 2047, what happens? One, in 1990-91, there's only one insurance company on the life side I'm talking about, LIC. Penetration was 0.8. Around 2000, privatization happened. And what happened is, we reached just around 1.29% penetration. Now we are at 2.8. So in the last 35 years, has the penetration really gone up? With more than 75 private insurance companies coming in, with best of foreign players coming in, best of technology, digitalization, all words we have used, we are at 2.8%. And the goal is to reach 100%. Okay. When we talk about growth, these are just some numbers. You can see that in 15 years, our total premium, total is cumulated has gone up only 3x times, whereas the new business premium has gone up only 2x times on the life side I'm talking about. When you talk about volumes, volumes are also not very high, like 2.75 crores per policies per year is being sold at an average ticket size of 47,000 because of the combinations of low, medium, high. OPEX ratio, we are all in this space as Insurtech companies. Last 10 to 15 years, everybody spent a lot of money on technology. But has the OPEX really changed? The ratios have not changed. It's around 11.5%. That means technology is going up, bringing in some efficiency, but not bringing in the cost factor. Number of claims, if you see, average claim is not changed much. So that means it's not a real worry that, okay, yes, frauds are there. Frauds are increasing, but number of claims are the same. Okay. So when we talk about this journey, about transformation, insurance is a transformation where from 1956 to 2000, okay, we laid down the foundation of insurance, importance of insurance, etc. Last 25 years, as I said, private players, best of foreign players, everybody came in, best of technology was put in, we all know that, okay. And in 69 years, we could reach 3% penetration. And next 22 years, we have to reach 100. Question is, can it be achieved? Is it possible? And if yes, how can this be achieved? I like the statement from Marshall Goldsmith. What got you here will take you no further, which is true for all of us in the stalls over here also, right? So whatever we have done in last 69 years is not going to change the 3% technically. So whatever we are talking, we may change the words. We use the word AI, we use ML, LLM, then blockchain, digitalization, everything. But really the change has not happened. So that means what we need to do is a big leapfrog thing. And that is where we thought of how we can change the things. Technology is there. So that's where the process is part covered. That's why we said smart insurance. Okay. So we wanted to reimagine the insurance space using AI, thinking of the customer. And when we talk about customer, customers want a human touch point, conversational journeys. Okay. When we talk about this, we said we'll use our deep expertise of the problems, the back-end issues. Like I have been a chief underwriter, I have been a claims head, run the industry for 20 years. So we said, why not use that and go ahead? Okay. So if you look at the opportunities, one, we need digital solutions. I don't want to read the thing, which will bring in cost efficiencies, which will improve the customer interactions, which is more important. Okay. Customer convenience with inbuilt fraud and risk management. Now this is one big area where we look at onboarding separately, underwriting separately, fraud risk management separately. And we can't afford to do that, right? And human empathy is the most important part. So the future belongs to those insurers who can think of human empathy. And that is where our processes are built on. Okay. So two products which we are displaying today over here through InteliPro is one, flagship product of WhatsApp-based insurance journey. I would request you all to come and have a demo. Initially we thought we wanted to show it here. We said, Maza nahi aayega. Because we have tried to build a complete end-to-end from onboarding till issuance on WhatsApp. Okay. From an agent's point of view, from a customer's point of view, on a life insurance journey which is most complex. So obviously I don't want to show it in 6 minutes and bore you over there. Whoever is interested, I would request you to come there, see what we have done. So we have created a WhatsApp journey. What is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a tool which every customer has. It is his app. It is not my app. Okay, he is on WhatsApp. But he wants a human touch base. So it's an agent. Agent could be a broker, it could be a banker, it could be anybody. So the agent is there and agent has to do a lot of form filling because there's ultimately 8 pages form. So we built on a complex side. General insurance is more easy for us to do. Okay. And the WhatsApp takes care of every bit of check on transactional mode. So that every transaction that happens on a conversational basis, the APIs are running immediately to confirm this is the PAN, this is the Aadhaar, this is the address. This guy's got 3 addresses. Which address is right? Okay, he can have an address in Aadhaar separate, he can have an address in driving license separate. In telecom database, it could be different. We have got the Jamtaras of the world, where multiple frauds happen despite the insurance industry using the OTP process the last 5 years. Why? Why do we have dead man insurance today? It's a newspaper item every day. because we are working on a piece without looking at the realistic problems. So what we tried to do is we said, let's inbuild fraud and risk management in the process. Okay. And at the end of it, there's a video scan which happens. So what you saw on the stage, etc. A person can be video scanned on the stage through his mobile phone, a simple mobile phone which is having a basic internet facility, which will check his liveliness. We will give you medical reports. Okay. So every case, liveliness is checked, person's existence is checked, and his basic medical parameters are checked. So most of my things are taken care of, right? That's the journey which we have tried. Zero friction and conversational from a customer's point of view with customer consent. This is a comparison of normal WhatsApp versus our WhatsApp, InteliPro WhatsApp. I don't want to go into details. Just want to say that what we are trying to do differently is bring in the human empathy part, make it conversational, easier, use the agent part of it so that the agent can do the work which he has been doing for ages. Last 10 years, you will see all insurance companies have got 100% digital applications. But not even 4% of them are actually individually done by the customers. 96% more than 96% is agent assist. We have got all the real-time APIs, CKYC, EKYC, name it whichever you want, video health check on the spot. A smart workflow. We are not using WhatsApp as a customer communication tool. We have made it a smart workflow orchestration. Okay. And digital risk signals are given that takes care of underwriting. So why do we need underwriting? I've been an underwriter myself. What will an underwriter do if he knows that this person's health is good or bad, this person comes from a negative place, the nominee is wrong? So whatever he does, instead of identifying it, why can't we preempt it and control it? That's the thought process we have tried to put over here. Full consent so that the DPDP etc. is not creating a problem, and processes are smart. Okay. Next one, the second flagship product is about persistency, which is the biggest problem for the insurance industry today, both life as well as general. Life is a bigger problem because of the touch points. General insurance, though every year they can go back to the customer, there is a challenge of customer porting running from here to there. So we try to create a smart renewal engine, okay, which is AI driven obviously, personalized nudges. So what is the biggest problem you guys face? Sir, आपका policy due है 31st December को. Why are you calling me up on October 30th? Because the process says 60 days before ये एक call जाएगा. 45 days के बाद call center number 2 will call. 30 days के बाद एक SMS जाएगा. 29 days के बाद एक WhatsApp जाएगा. The guy is frustrated by the time. I'm in a meeting, I'll say, boss, I know my policy is due on 31st of December. Last 20 years I've been paying it regularly. I'll pay it on 29 December. And if he's an accountant person like me, I will say, boss, grace period में भरूंगा मैं 20 दिन तक grace period के बाद. That's what I've been doing it. So my system will say, okay sir, when do you want me to remind you? On this date, you can schedule the calendar till that time. None of our channels will call you. It's a unified process. WhatsApp alert, SMS alert, call center 1, 2, call center 3, no. Everything will come under one roof because that's the product we have made. Okay. Efficiency and cost reduction. We have brought down the costs of all these things by even ensuring that the campaigns are better. If a customer wants to use one process, why are you using 4 processes and changing and increasing the cost? Okay. No duplicate communications. Customer is the king. Whatever he wants will happen on that day. And most important thing, 360-degree customer engagement. We have been talking about 360-degree customer view. But does it really happen? As a customer, do you really experience it? So that's what we are trying to do it. One size doesn't fit all. He may want WhatsApp. She may want an SMS. I may want a phone call. And somebody will say, nothing. Just tell me a reminder date, then I'll pay it. Don't disturb me. So one size doesn't fit all. We'll take care of it. And for that, accordingly, campaigns can be designed. And our campaigns, you don't need big marketing companies. So your costs are cut down over there. We have created templates saying you build it the way you want it on your systems. Then you can do an upsell and cross-sell, which is most important, specifically if you are a composite insurer in the future or a broker today. There are many brokers over here who are running different channels of businesses, life, general, health, motor, etc. Do you know every customer ka due date from all products point of view? We can give you that, and we can also help you customer upsell, cross-sell. So to summarize, why InteliPro? One, it is made by people with domain experience, जिन्होंने देखा है operations, underwriting, claims. Okay, technology kya ho raha hai, what challenges we have faced, we have done that. End-to-end operational insight, we have thought from customer point of view, company point of view, technology problems, what my ops guy faces, what my branch faces. So all those things are taken care of by over there because we have personally been on that side. And most important, tailored and advisory. It cannot be, this is my product, you have to use it this way. Okay, so this is that. Based on that, we have made the decision. So as you can see on the screen, while we are talking about Insurtech, my process technology is a small portion. We are talking about process excellence, we are talking about risk controls, we are talking about tech innovation, and then we are saying trusted partnership. Treat us as a partner, we'll solve your problems for you. Okay. There are various benefits which we have spoken about, like the policy issuance stat can be brought from days to hours. Persistency can change significantly if you do it correctly. It will take time, obviously. Your cost can go down, like our WhatsApp process can reduce your RCU verification costs. Then it can reduce your, virtually make your PIVC cost zero. Your video MERs may not be needed at all. Okay, a lot of things can be done through a logical way of working. And that can improve your customer NPS in different ways. And most important, agile distribution, because we are not removing the agents from your system. We are enabling your agents. We are saying, agent ko enable karo, let him do it. Customer ko don't harass the customer and don't try to say, my AI will do everything for you and you have to do your part. Okay, so there's a pilot offer for the companies who are there over here, where we are saying that visit our stall, that's an early bird pricing with discounts. Okay, and in case you're interested in doing a facial scan checkup of yours, you can have a look at it, how we do a facial scan. This is a part of our WhatsApp issuance solution. Okay. And call to action is, we can book a live demo. Not today, obviously, you can have a basic demo today and experience the journeys. And people who are interested can pick up our contact details directly from here. So that's a thank you from a human being, which is having an intelligent processes through AI. So human being is not out, the portion of the human being is bigger. Okay. Thank you guys. So, have a great day. And visit our stall for any more questions.